Now we tell you image of a point taken plane as a mirror. Suppose we have to given a plane 3x minus y plus 4z equal to 2, and we have given a point 3, 2 minus 1. Q is the reflection of this point taken this plane as a mirror. We know that in the equation of plane ax by plus cz plus d equal to 0, ABC, that is the coefficient of x, y, z, are the direction ratios of the perpendicular to the plane. Therefore, here 3, minus 1 and 4 are the direction ratios perpendicular to the plane. Using this information, we have given direction ratios and the point. We find out the equation of PQ. That will equal to x minus 3, y plus 1, z minus 4, 3 minus 1, 4. Any point on this line is given by the taken k, x equal to 3k plus 3, y equal to minus k minus 1, and z equal to 4k plus 4. Suppose this is the point of Q, coordinates of Q. Now L is a point lie on the plane. L is the midpoint of PQ. Therefore, using the midpoint formula, three k plus 3 plus 3 divided by 2 minus k minus 2 divided by 2 4k plus 1 divided by 2 this would be the coordinate of L. Now L lie on this plane, so put this value in the given plane. 3 times of 3k plus 6 by 2 minus k minus 4 by 2 plus 4 times of 4k plus 2 by 2, and this will equal to 2. Solving this, we get k equal to minus 1. Now put k equal to minus 1 here. We get the image q equal to 0, minus 1 and minus 3. I repeat again. Please listen carefully. We have to find out image of a point 3, 2 minus 1 taken this plane as a mirror. Plane equation 3x minus y plus 4z equal to 2. We know that the general equation of the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0, ABC are the direction ratios of the perpendicular to the plane. Therefore 3, -1 and 4 are the direction ratios of the perpendicular to the plane. Using this information, that is the direction ratio and the point, we obtained the equation of PQ. This will given by this formula: x minus 3 by 3, y plus 1 minus 1, z minus 4 by 4. Now take any point on this point line, that will equal to k. To x equal to this, y equal to this, and z equal to this. This would be the coordinates of Q. Now to obtain the coordinate of L using the midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2 and so on, we get this is the coordinate of L. Now L lie on this plane, so we put this L in this equation and obtain the value of k equal to -1. Put this value here, we get q equal to 0, -1 and -3. This is the required image. Okay.